Welcome to this Functional Skills Level 2 Maths training video. This video contains information and guidance on Criterion 5. Work out percentages of amounts and express one amount as a percentage of another. At Level 2, and by the end of this session, you should be able to understand percentages, calculate percentages of a given amount, and express one amount as a percentage of another. Percent means per 100. A percentage is a way to describe a part of something out of 100. It's like saying, how many parts out of 100 is this? For example, if you have 25%, it means 25 out of 100. It's a simple way to compare amounts or understand how much of something you have. If you scored 80% on a test, it means you got 80 out of 100 marks. Percentages help us understand and compare numbers easily. Let's move on to calculating percentages of a given amount. Calculating percentages of a given amount simply means working out a percentage of a number. Let's look at an example. What is 25% of £80? There are two methods we can use to work out the answer to this question. Let's look at the first method. 25% is the same as 25 out of 100. If we know that 25% is equivalent to 1/4, we can divide the given amount by 4. £80 divided by 4 equals 20. Alternatively, we can half the amount to find 50% and then half it again to find 25%. This is because percent means 100. Half of 100 is 50. Half of 50 is 25. The second method is a method you can use regardless of the percentage being asked for. Here are some steps you can follow. Step 1. Start with the whole amount. In this example, the whole amount is £80. Step 2. Divide by 100 to find 1%. Because £80 is the whole amount, it's 100% of the amount. To find 1% of 80, we need to divide by 100. This is because 100 divided by 100 equals 1. 80 divided by 100 equals 0.8. 1% equals 0.8 or 80p. Step 3. Multiply by the percentage you need. This question is asking us to find 25%. We have 1%. 1% multiplied by 25 equals 25%. 1% of £80 is 0.8. Therefore, we need to multiply 0.8 by 25. 0.8 multiplied by 25 equals 20. 25% of £80 equals £20. On screen are some questions for you to try. Pause the video, then press play when you're ready to continue. Let's check the answers. Pause the video while you do this, then press play to move on. Expressing one amount as a percentage of another is about comparing two numbers and showing how big one number is compared to the other. We have to give our answer as a percentage out of 100. To express one amount as a percentage of another, we need to use the formula part divided by whole multiplied by 100. Let's look at an example. A student scored 45 marks out of 60 on a test. What percentage did they achieve? We need to decide which number is the part and which number is the whole. The part is the score achieved, 45. The whole is the total score possible, 60. Now we can use the formula to find the answer. 45 divided by 60 multiplied by 100. First, let's calculate 45 divided by 60. This gives an answer of 0.75. Next, we multiply 0.75 by 100. 0.75 multiplied by 100 equals 75. The student achieved 75%. On screen, there are some questions for you to try. Pause the video while you complete the questions, then press play to check your answers. Let's check the answers. Pause the video while you do this, then press play to move on to some exam practice questions. Let's try a couple of exam questions. Pause the video while you work out the answer to the first two questions, then press play when you're ready to continue. Here are the answers. Pause the video while you check them, then press play to move on to another question. Here's the final exam question. Pause the video while you have a go, then press play to check your answer. Let's check your answer. Again, pause the video while you do this, then press play to continue. You should now be able to understand percentages, calculate percentages of a given amount, and express one amount as a percentage of another. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.